Okay, hi everyone. This is the FOSS assignment for installation of Apache web server. Okay. Now, if you're using Ubuntu, just go to Facebook in our class group. I think around December 18th or some date, I would have posted the procedure for installation of Apache web server in Ubuntu. Just let me check it. Yeah, this is it. It's December 15th. Go through it, and you see here install Apache, testing Apache. It's just a command here. If you just type this command in the terminal, it'll install. And if you have to check, put up this command, it'll check if it's working. Okay. So now for Apache web server and Windows 7. All right. So what you got to do is first go to Google and search for Apache server. See this first link, httpd apache.org. Go to that. Okay, and here click this download from a mirror. Alright, come down. This is for Unix, and here if you see, it will have a link naming Windows Win32 binary including OpenSSL 0.9.80 MSI installer. Okay, you need to click this. You need to click this option. Okay, and it will download a file. Okay, so download that file, and this is the file I already downloaded. Click it, run. Next, accept. Next. For network domain, put it as localhost. Server name, put it as localhost. And administrator's email ID, put it as admin@localhost. Okay, keep this for all users. Localhost admin. Yeah, we are right. Next, and put it as custom here. Next, you see this build headers and libraries, this is unchecked. Select that and select this feature will be installed. Okay, and you need to change that folder directory, so click change. Go to C, create a new folder called webdev. Inside that, again create a new folder called Apache. Okay, so now it should read as C:/webdev/apache/. Okay, check if the build headers and libraries installed, and it's installed to C:/webdev/apache. Click next, install. This will take around 1 or 2 minutes, I guess. Excuse me. Just wait for it to install. Okay, if this comes up, click yes, and it will finish installing. Just wait for it to finish. Okay, they run here. Press escape here. Okay, finished. Okay, to check if this is installed, go back to your browser, open a new tab and click localhost. You should get a message. We're going to exam. Okay, so when you get exam window, but what this is because I have already installed examp in this and it has Apache servernet. Okay, but if you had not installed examp in this, you would have got this string index.html. You would have got this. It works. Okay, so where did you get this from? Go back to your place where you installed it. C webdev Apache, and in this you will find a folder htdocs. In that index.html. If you open this with notepad, hold on, just opening it with context, you'll see it as it works here, right? If you put something else there, come up with that. Okay, so if you drag and drop this here, it will come as the markup. Okay, so this shows that the Apache web server has been installed on your computer. Okay, and if you see in your system tray, you see a small icon here with green play button and the red arrow on top. Right click that, open Apache monitor. It shows that Apache 2.2 is currently working. Okay, you can stop it, can restart it, can connect, and you can exit it. Okay, right now I'm stopping it. In starting for this, say no. Okay, so let it work then. Click OK, and that was the installation of Apache web server. Well, the assignment, I don't know if you have to take screenshots or whatever. Okay, anyway, this was the installation of Apache web server. Thank you.